Hello, my lovely Minjins. This is Minji from Minji Teaches Korean. As you can see, I've been invited to this huge event. 안녕하세요. Such an awkward moment. So yeah, as you can see, I'm at this Yongsan Dragon City Hotel. So let me briefly explain about this event. It's called SPP 2023. And I've heard they offer business matching. So if there are sellers who possess IPs, they connect them with buyers who are interested in distributing, buying, or commercializing them. So let's say if I have an IP related to Korean language or Korean language character, I don't know, and if there's a buyer who is interested in commercializing it, then he or she can engage with me. So basically that's the concept of this event. And I've heard it's the largest creator networking or business matching event in Asia. So it's going to be a really huge opportunity for both creators and buyers, sellers, etc. So I'm very excited. There were IR pitch for a presentation looking for investors, and I just witnessed one company got award, like best presentation thingy. I said I don't expect any business matching opportunity, but yeah, hopefully I can pitch brand. You know, you've been witnessing my journey as a content creator, and I've encountered numerous challenges and good, of course, opportunities or projects. And what remains true for me is always interacting with creators from various fields. Like, I don't usually expect that, but they often spark ideas regarding the future content market, or they just give me some ideas how to live or grow as a content creator. So like I told you, it's going to be a huge opportunity for me to meet many creators, and as you can just recognize, there is a Rachel.
Hey everyone, it's Rachel.
So, Rachel, I wonder, is there any good Korean expression that you use when you meet someone for the first time?
Of course there is. I usually go with 잘 부탁드립니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. It means it's kind of hard to translate.
Right.
I'm here for the good business with you. I want us to get along. I want us to be friends. And I'm ready to be a good business partner.
That is a long translation.
It is a lot. And
there is a David filming us.
And she's vlogging us, vlogging you, vlogging
Yeah.
It's multiverse.
Yeah.
Here.
Good to see you, David.
Where should I talk to? Like your camera or yourself or my camera?
It depends on your thought.
Okay. Why are we standing like a triangle?
So I met David and Rachel.
Hello.
Rachel, okay.
All three vlogs.
How's your inspiration in attending this event today?
This event, SPP 20.
Yeah.
Did you guys hear of my show, Ramen and Chill?
Oh yeah, I did.
Did you watch it? The
yeah.
international dating show. So I heard this is like a content IP, expo or like forum,
Right.
something like that. So I heard there's a lot of investors or people related to the content scene. So I wanted to pitch my IP, Ramen and Chill, so that we could hopefully make a season 2. I mean, it takes a lot of money, so I'm looking for investors and networking or opportunities.
Maybe a strategy.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm here. Otherwise, it's snowing outside. I would be at home and like just in my bed.
We've been consistently active in our like respective fields,
Yes.
and it's actually great to see you here at the same event.
Yeah,
to see each other works.
So happy to see you too.
And since it's a Korean learning channel, I would like to ask you like one useful expression that you would use when you meet someone for the first time. I actually asked this to Rachel, so this question is going to be
What? I wasn't prepared. What did you say?
I said 잘 부탁드립니다.
아, 잘 부탁드립니다. 처음 만났을 때.
Yes.
하지메 마시테.
Or just an expression when you exchange your business card.
See, 잘 부탁드립니다 was kind of perfect.
To-
Time's up.
아니야. This is so hard. Can you give me
There
another?
is a
Okay, if you're meeting someone who is like of high profile or like a very respectful person, you could say 만나 뵙게 돼서 너무 영광입니다.
Oh,
It's an
a good
honor to
one.
meet you.
Right.
Ah, good expression.
Yes, I got
I'll
it.
give you that.
Yeah, so for instance, we're going to meet the Seoul mayor today.
Woohoo!
Right? So if I were to meet him, get a selfie, like I'd be like, 만나게 돼서 너무 영광입니다.
It is such an honor.
Yeah.
If you guys are also interested in their filming as well, please check out their channels.
Okay, bye. This is great. Can I steal your content and put it in my vlog?
Can I please do that? Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yay.
Freshly baked bread and butter, etc. Here. So thanks to your support, I'm enjoying this meal. So that's it for our event today. We enjoyed our meal. I'm on my way to my place. The event is officially over. The hotel meal, that's actually one of the reasons why I came here. And thanks to your support, I'm able to be invited here. Okay, then I'll see you guys in the next video.